Hello, so we will be checking what is that 1888 message for you. Let's tap onto the energies for the collective. Let's see what message do we have. 1888 message for the collective. So we have hope. So you are definitely one of those people who haven't left that hope. You are someone who doesn't give up. You are someone who knows how to make use of your willpower. Okay, and ये जो आपने इतने टाइम से hope रखी है, the way you have been hoping for the best possible future, hoping for the biggest dreams, all of it is going to come true. But with that, universe is also talking about where you need to work more on your throat chakra. Your throat chakra is also connected with your sacral chakra, which talks about how you'd like to express your creativity, right? Some of you might want to sing, some of you might want to speak, some of you might want to do tarot, and there are so many different ways of expressing our creativity. So this is something that you need to tap in, and you are getting a lot of understanding and downloads from the universe itself. You are getting that downloaded message, those intuitive messages directly from the source. So your source is helping you to make a way for your journey ahead, so that you can become one with your purpose, so that you can create a way for yourself where you don't have to think so much regarding what to do, what not to do, becoming aligned with your purpose, what you're meant to do, the volunteer that you are, the uniqueness that you have within. And for a lot of you, I must say that wherever you are right now in your spiritual journey, आप अपने एक level तक पहुंच चुके हो. You have reached that one level, and इस level तक पहुंचने के लिए you had to do a lot of things, right? वो एक दिन में नहीं हो गया. You had to do that inner work. You had to do certain things so that you can be on this level. But now universe is asking you to expand your knowledge. Your universe is asking you to expand your self knowledge, your experiences, your connection with the divine, so that you can pave that way where you can be more and more aligned towards your purpose, which you're going to spread in the world.